Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to talk about workflow goals, what are they and how to use them. So basically, when you create a workflow, so automation in HubSpot, you have a goal in mind. So for instance, let's take this basic workflow that is like a nurturing workflow that aims to make all MQL leads go to SQL. So for that, we have a nurturing strategy, which is sending one email, waiting 4 days, sending another email, waiting again 4 days, and sending a last email. Let's say that in all emails, we have like a call to action to book a meeting with a salesperson that will qualify them as SQL. So the only goal of this nurturing strategy is to make them book a call with a salesperson. But let's say they click on the first link and they book a meeting after the first email. We don't want them to receive the second and third email because the goal of this workflow is achieved. So we need to design it. So to do so, you just need to go to Edit and Edit Goal. And to define a goal, you just need to click on Keep Contacts Meet a Goal. We decided that the goal of this workflow is to make their lifecycle stage go from MQL to SQL, so it's exactly what we will do. So we click on Contact Properties, we choose Lifecycle Stage is any of SQL. If you want to be more precise, SQL, Opportunity, Customer, etc. You apply filters. You can have like a lot of and or logic to make your goal more precise, but in this example we just need this specific property update and we click on save. You click on save here, and what will happen now is like as the moment the lead that enters the workflow become a SQL, he will get unenrolled of this workflow and he will not receive the next communications. So that was a basic example, but of course you can make specific goals for all your workflows depending on what they try to achieve. So if you want to deepen your workflow knowledge, you can find on the description below a link to my free workflow library named the Workflow Box, where you can find a lot of useful workflow you can just copy paste to your portal. I hope this video was useful for you. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. It was Greg. I wish you a good day and see you soon.